So just to show you how it actually works, we have the power button here, just battery operated as I said. The next button down is the pace of your injection. So the slowest option that you'd maybe use for an upper anterior infiltration, for example, would be the green. So then you can move that up to the blue and the purple, which I don't think I've ever used, although it's probably still a comparable pace to an average injection. But one of the big advantages of this is that control of that slow administration. That's what makes the difference in making it comfortable. The next button down, the purple arrow indicates the interligamentory technique, so it's applying it at a higher pressure, still at that low, slow pace, so that it's an effective technique. The blue sort of graph here that you can see is a lovely feature actually with the Dentapen that I really like. So it's called the ramp up, which isn't maybe as friendly a name as it is a feature. So what it does with that is it begins the administration very slowly and then will gradually come up to the pace of it, which is really nice because those first few drops of the local, they're the ones that can be uncomfortable. So if you're giving it nice and slowly at the start, it allows those first few drops to take effect, and then by the time the pace is up a bit more, then it can be easier and more comfortable for the patient. And then the arrow at the bottom is that rewind that I was speaking about. So just to show you, what you would do then, and the advantage of this connection is that, as I say, you can rotate it to find the position of the bevel, so that you're passing through the mucosa comfortably, and helps with your effectiveness of your administration. When you start to use it, you just press on the little black button there. Okay, so you see how slow that is, and that's using that ramp up. So it's just drop by drop. Now that's the blue speed, so that's the middle speed, so the green speed is even slower than that, and that just gives bit by bit. When you want to aspirate, you just tap on the black part again. You can see the bung actually pulling back there, which is wonderful. Great, very effective aspiration technique, and it does make a real difference sort of day to day when you're using that. So that's about it really for how it works. When you're wanting to replace a cartridge, use the rewind feature. So yeah, that just slowly pulls back like that, not as quickly as we'd maybe like, but that's the nature. We're always after the most efficient approach, aren't we? So any questions or anything, feel free to give me a shout. Hope that was helpful, and all the best. Enjoy the Dentapen if you choose to get it.